Hey friends, welcome to DL.in. Today I made profits in HDFC Life and PBR and small loss in Cipla. I will explain you on all three stocks today. So hope my earlier video was very helpful. I was teaching Bajaj Finance stock how to swing trade and make profits. So in this video it will be same. I have used swing charts and Fibonacci retracement and pitchfork and Fibonacci retracement. So today I'll not get into complicated things. I'll just teach the basics of swing chart and booking profits using Fibonacci retracement. So this is HDFC Life 15 minutes chart. Candlestick indicators is EMI 20, ATR 9. There's this swing high low. You can check my earlier video on how to place this indicator in TradingView. You can just click this indicators, just search the word swing. You'll get swing high low support and resistance based pattern smart. Just add it. So this is HDFC Life 15 minute chart. I've shorted it today at 5:15 and I booked it at 503. This is PVR 15 minutes chart. So in this I have sold it at 900 and booked it at 892. So this is Cipla 15 minute chart. I entered the trade over here closer to 576 and booked losses at 572. Supply entered trade based on 5 minute chart. So I'll explain it to you. So first let's go to HDFC Life. So you can check my earlier video also on swing trade. So you can first I'll remove all these things. So first thing what you need to do is to analyze the chart based on daily or hourly charts. So what I've done is connected these two lows and extended it. I've not done much, but you can see on daily chart the stock is moving up. I've chosen hourly stick, so you can see the swing is moving high, consolidation, move high, consolidation. It's made a low, swing high, and you can see it has made a double bottom yesterday. Double bottom is at 515, 516. So on hourly chart below 516 it is a sell because in an upward trend I've already told you these green dots doesn't make any sense to buy. It is a place where you can book partial profits if you want. Thing you need to identify and understand is these red dots in an uptrend where any reversals happening closer to these red dots you can buy. So same way, once you buy, the stop loss will be the red dots. Targets will be partial profits in green dots, earlier green dot, and you can use Fibonacci retracement to book profits. I'll teach you that today. So in earlier video I've just told basics of swing chart. Today I'll use Fibonacci retracement to help you book profits. So here you can clearly see the stop loss of long trade is at 5 16 or 516. So below 516, the stop loss means it swing turns to downtrend. So we'll just switch to 15-minute chart. So you can see I've connected these two three dots. So you can see triple bottom happening over here at 515. So that has been broken today at open. So at today's opening it has broken the low, so it turns bearish. Stop loss will be like 523. Other way what you can do is just switch to 5 minutes chart. In 5 minute chart you just see the stock was moving down yesterday. Today morning it has opened at lower price. It had made a consolidated move on the up. You can see this up move breaking through this both these highs. So in 5 minute chart it becomes bullish on swing trade. So what we need to do is to sell below this lows 512 with stop loss of 522. So we wait for few minutes. So you can see another swing low has been made. So as per our swing trade strategy, just like it becomes a buy with a stop loss of 513. And other one is like you can see the CMI 20 blue line in the direction down. So stock is trending down. So which I've already told earlier principles, like in a trending stock which is going down, you should not buy the stock. So what I did is uh, waited for this thing to happen, like a bearish pattern on this 20 EMI moving average, and sold it. So I've sold it closer to 515. On this bar I've sold just below this red bar. I've sold it over here. So it confirms best best place to sell is below 513. I've sold it over here. So the stop loss is at 520. So 520, 515 is my entry point. And what we can do is just wait for the stock to move down. So stock goes to 507 and a half, pulls back to 512. It makes a bearish reversal over here. What you can do is enter a second lot. I've entered second lot at 510. Sold it at 510. Both my stop loss has been switched to 512 and a half. So 2.5 rupees is my loss, maximum loss. So I have two lots now. Earlier it was 5 rupees. My stop loss my stop loss was 5 rupees. Now it is at 2.5 rupees. So this is a better entry point. So after this entry, the stock slides down to 597. What I've done is I booked profit at 503. At this closer to this place, I booked all my profits. If I had waited, had gone down another consolidation, my third lot would have been entered here. I would have entered third time here. All the three lots stop loss would have been shifted to 502. So you get this. So why did I book profits at 503? I'll just tell you. Just switch back to 15-minute chart. You can see the swing from 472 closer to 540. So what you need to do is click tools, use Fibonacci retracement, click this point on the highs like 540. You can see 522, there would be some resistance. That is what the resistance that had happened. Today's high 512, opening lows was at 512, and then it comes 504. 504. This is the reason I booked at 504, and my actual targets were 496. But I did not wait for 496, I had sold it. So you can see the bonds happening at 496, first bonds. So that would have been optimum target for everyone. And we could have kept stop loss at 504 and even shorted third lot over here. So first lot from 515, the lot from 510. My book profits at 503. When I'm a learning trader, so I'll try to capture these. Uh, we have to capture all the big moves without any hesitation, even if you're in profits. You have to just follow the logic. So this is how I traded HDFC Life. So I brought you some swing trades plus uh, finding places to sell using Fibonacci retracement. And you can see I've connected these lower lows. So this would have been the target. Like this can happen tomorrow, but you have to wait for. I may trade a better candlestick or a better chart pattern. So coming to PVR, so this is, I'll just clear all these things. It may confuse beginners. PVR, you can see it is just moving down. It has made lifetime low 867 and it's trying to consolidate over here. So what I've done is I've connected these three dots again today. Almost like four dots are getting connected. So today as market opens, you can see swing high consolidation. It's not gone to swing high. Consolidated point is broken. So it is this change in trend. So below 913 it is a sell with a stop loss of to 928. The target would be 895. This will be the first target because there is a support over here, and second target would be 886. Third target would be 873. So these are the places of resistance. So today what I've done is you can see low, you can see other low. I was just waiting for the consolidation to happen. This consolidation happens at 905. You have a stop loss. You just need to wait for a candlestick reversal. It happens at 900. And even the support line, trend line, or the support line has been broken. So I've sold at 900 for a target of 886 and 874. So first target is hit. I did not book it over here. Like 886 was hit later. I had booked out because it was coming closer to the end of the day. I had booked out on this candlestick reversal closer to 892. And so I made a profit of 8 rupees in this stock. Uh, Tomorrow you can expect a consolidated move towards this moving average, and there are chances that it can fall or make fresh 52-week low. Don't go by any prediction or just don't blindly follow anything. Just wait for this things to happen. Candlestick pattern, a good entry point closer to stop loss, candlestick reversal. Always remember the three things. Never trade against the trend. When stock is going down, just try to sell. If the stock is going up, just try to buy. There is always a good entry point reversal. You just need to buy. You can book some profits closer to the screen door. If the stop loss is hit, no worry, it just becomes a selling point. You just sell over here. So if you are automatically sold it at 9:13, the stop loss of 9:28, you have got a full swing of profits. Uh, so using Fibonacci retracement, we'll just check if these supports are okay. Just click Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high. Just perfectly see support happening at 894, 886. So the next target will be 893 and 837. I suppose PVR should be testing this 837 levels until there is some reversal. Like there should be consolidation. Your stop loss shift to that consolidation, then wait for the candlestick reversal and keep going down. Maybe next 2-3 days or 4 days this can be tested. So coming to supply, I'll remove these pitchforks. I'll explain you in detail pitchforks on another video. So in this there is a 15-minute chart. So I entered supply using a 5-minute chart, not a 15-minute candle. 5-minute chart is more volatile. If the volumes are higher, then you can trade with 5-minute chart. If the volumes are little on average side, you can trade in 15-minute chart or 1 hour chart. So you can just see Cipla's moving down. There has been breakout in the opening. You can see the screen taken out. So stop loss is at 566. There's a breakout with this consolidation and this breakout. I should have bought it at 572. First profit would have been booked at 576. Thing is that you see this uh, pivot point was not formed because it is a fallen sharper. If fallen like 3-4 candles, there would have been a pivot point where I would have shifted my stop loss and entered it at this point. So not enter here. I entered on this uh, I entered on this breakout. I think this breakout should have not been entered. I have made a mistake. So once I realized my mistake, I had booked out like uh, this. This swing has happened. So I shifted my stop loss from 566 to 572. And I booked out on this breakout 572. What I've done is I've not booked out. I doubled my positions over here. Like the buy position I converted to a sell. So I bought at 576, sold 2 at 572, and this I taken out. So my stop loss is at 575 for a downtrend. So you can see downtrend, consolidation, downtrend, consolidation, downtrend. You can see that my stop loss has been shifted from 575 to 573, then to 571. It's not broken over here. It's not broken. So this one, I bought it in this breakout 570. I booked it up because at the end of the day I booked it at this candle reversal closer to 570. You can see I've lost 4 rupees here, I've gained 2 rupees here, so the combined loss was 2 rupees. I had clearly made a mistake over here, which led to loss of 4 rupees. Hope you would not do the mistake. One thing I booked out at this place instead of waiting was that you can just connect these dots. You can see there's this strong resistance at 566 double bottom. So and you can see this move did not take it further down. So there are a lot of buyers between this space. So that is the reason I had to book out at 570. So a wrong trade that had converted into profitable one, but in the end I made 2 rupee loss in this complex. So today we have learned on swing trades, uh, booking profits using Fibonacci retracement. You can also trade using Fibonacci retracement. Made good profits today with HDFC and PVR. Hope you too continue following my channel and my blog. I'll be coming up with good recommendations on both stocks, and also will be helping you learn the charts properly. Please do like the video, comment your thoughts, share it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.